and bonjour la lavatrice. Not sure what I'm talking about? No, neither do I. Delicat. Cotton eco. Synthetic eco. Esserage delicat. What do all these mean? Bit confused? Maybe the language is set up wrong on your washing machine. So you've bought the washing machine and this doesn't actually say English words. Well, you need to change it. In fact, more annoyingly for yourself, all the options menu is in that language, which is French. So, if you want to change it, press the options menu. Scroll down for 5 times, press OK. And then you got Lang, press OK. And it starts flashing with the 3 letters for that language. Scroll down till you find your actual language that you wish. ENG stands for English. Press OK. Now, if you scroll down now, you should be able to read all these words, which are now all in English. But what if you speak a different language to English? Well, follow these options to what I'm going to do. Press the down button when you're in options. Press down once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Press OK. Press OK. Now you need to scroll down until the 3 letters of your language appear. So if you're Romanian, Slovakian, Hungarian, Czechoslovakian, Polish, Lithuanian, Spain, Russian, Ethiopia, Norwegian, Danish, Netherlands, Portuguese, Spanish, French, German or Italian. You can select any of these languages. This machine is made for the European market, so therefore the languages of all the European countries is in this machine. Once you're done, press back and then press scroll to back again. So now everything should be in English. Delicates, cotton's economy, spin, that sounds more like it. We're back to English again. So, if you're struggling to understand your washing machine, go to the settings and change your language. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.